stop circling around.
Uh-oh.
On behalf of the entire crew, we're glad to have you with us.
What did you guys? We're back at the room. You know, we're just getting ready.
Not for long, dude.
Not for long. Cheers. We got a little surprise for our buddy over here.
Give him a few hots.
Got a Raptors hat, got a Blue Jays hat. You know?
Stop blowing holes in my ship.
It's good, bro.
How are you today? Good? Good, brother. How are you?
What's your name, man?
What's your name? My name's
Brandon.
Henny.
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 John.
Young.
You sip a lot of Henny, bro?
Yeah, Henny.
Yes, sir.
Hennessy.
Jack, hold on. I'll never let you go.
Where's the Titanic song now? They don't play it here? Probably for good reason.
Alright, we're taking the big bowl, eh? The big
We're
bowl.
going that guy?
Yo, I'm gonna tell you one thing and one thing only.
What?
I want the chips in the dip.
We'll see you guys in a few.
My stack is taller than that. Look at that little buddy.
I don't get a new cup every time, alright? I'm all about saving the turtles and you know? Turtles. So we reuse, recycle the turtles.
I want the chips in the dip.
Oh, we got chips.
Everything in it, bro.
Brought us bar to the beach. What do we got here, boys?
Pints, rum coke, pina colada.
Pina colada, rum and cokes, pints.
And they all doubles, maybe.
Look at him.
One more.
Oh, boys. What's happening?
Here, no problem.
Yo, there's this guy camouflaged too.
How's that?
Will he change to a ginger? Boyfriend's getting hustled. Yeah. He's getting hustled right now. Hey! I wanted to pay you.
Thank you, my friend.
I got a beer if you want a beer.
Yeah, you want a beer, man? You want a beer? Amigo? Cerveza? Oh, we don't have that. Yo, he's gonna charge you again. That's another 20 bucks, fine. Yeah.
Salut gang. So today, oh, it's so wet in here. So today, guys, it's c'est quoi ennuagé?
Huh?
Ennuagé?
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy, you know.
We're going home, back to Canada, where all the good food is. No clothes, no.
I can see it in your smile, and I wanna tell you so bad. I love you. Hey, you'll be live at 9 p.m. over on the stage.
Bye bye. See you for our next vlog.